Welcome back. This is Tracy Ann at Tracy Ann Creations. Today I have the cutest little Easter DIY for you guys. It is absolutely adorable. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you are returning, I appreciate you. So without me keep on gabbing on, let's hop to it. To get started on this project, we're going to take 3 packages of these carrots, and for video purposes I'm only going to show y'all how to do 1 package, and you're going to paint them over with some Mod Podge. That way when we actually put our paint texture on it, it'll stick to it. Now that our carrots have had time to dry from the Mod Podge, we're going to take this Waverly chalk paint in the color of pumpkin, and we're going to mix it with some baking soda and just mix and stir until you get the consistency that you want, and then we're going to paint each one of our carrots. You're going to need to go over these little carrots twice. The second time that you do, each time let it dry completely, but the second time you want to pat it on, not paint it. Okay, so now we're going to add our little sprigs on, and I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, I was trying to figure out a way to put them in there, but there's not a hole on top of that carrot, so I end up taking a pair of scissors and just kind of punching a little hole in the top of it and taking the flower. Well, I took 1 flower arrangement and then take off all the greenery and then stick it down in the little holes. And you can glue it if you like, but you don't really have to. It kind of sticks pretty good. You're going to want to do this process to all 9 carrots that you have. When you're done with all your carrots, you're going to want to set them to the side. And then now we're going to take this hula skirt, and that's going to be what we use to stuff our bunny with. And so you're going to take it and you're going to split it in half, as you can see how I did, and take one side and put it down in the leg on one side of the pants. And these little pants, I actually got at the thrift store. These are just some little kid pants. So if you have a little kid, you can use their little pants, or just go to a thrift store and you can buy a pair. So you're just going to stuff both sides down, and then once you pull it through, you're going to fold it back up and stuff it back in again, just so nothing hangs out the bottom of it. I got the idea of how to make this little bunny off of another YouTube video, so I'll leave that link down below so you can go and watch that lady as well. She did an awesome job, and I think these turned out so stinking cute. All right, to give our little bunny a fat little bum, I'm going to take this moss, and I'm just going to take two packages of moss, and on each cheek, I'm going to stuff this moss in so we can give this little bunny a fat little bum. All right, we're going to close up this bunny's pants, and so we're just going to take our hot glue gun and we're just going to glue it together. Now, to give this little bunny the look of climbing, we're going to take the back of his pants and we're going to put some hot glue right there at the back of the knee, and then just hold it until it stays in place. You're going to want to do this to both sides. Okay, so now you're going to set that to the side, and we're going to get started on making the little bunny feet. I took this little plaque because I needed the eggs off of it, so that's what we're going to make his little feet out of. I'm painting this with some apple barrel white paint, and you're going to want to give this 2 coats, flip it over, and do the back as well. So now taking these little furniture pads, we're going to use 8 of them. I need 2 large and 6 smaller ones to make the bottom of the feet. I'm painting these with some apple barrel paint in a color of pink. To attach these, I'm just going to peel off the back of the sticker and stick them on, but I do go back in later and put some hot glue on the back of them just to give them a little bit more security. Alright, so now it's time to attach our little feet. So we're just going to use some hot glue and we're going to fold up the ends of our pants and then fold them over again and attach our little feet. Alright, set your little bunny to the side, and now we're going to work on our basket. I got this basket from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some twine. I'm using sisal rope that someone gave me, but you're just going to take and glue, and when you first get started, you want to glue all the way around, and then once you get started good, you can just kind of in spurts put glue. Here I'm just taking some nautical rope and I just cut out some handles and use some hot glue to attach those. So now it's time to attach our little bunny. I'm just going to take him and I'm actually going to add a little bit more hot glue to his pants just to kind of pull it a little tighter. And then we're going to add some hot glue inside the basket and on top of the pants, and then just hook it onto the basket and hold it there until it stays pretty tight. Y'all, I bought this hot glue gun at Walmart and it is horrible. It does not want to, like the glue does not want to come out, and it is just absolutely horrible. So I do not recommend going and buying the floral hot glue gun at Walmart. You're going to want to take some more hot glue and put it on the front of the pants and just attach the pants to the basket just to give it a little bit more added security. Now to finish off this little bunny's bum, we're going to glue on his bunny tail. We're almost to the end, so now we're going to take our moss and we're just going to pull it apart and fill up that basket. Lastly, we're going to take our bunny ears and we're going to break those off, and then you'll have to use your scissors to cut them the rest of the way off. But we're going to put those on the other side of the basket. You're just going to take some hot glue and glue those on. And here's a look at our final reveal. This thing is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. Little bunny is absolutely adorable. I really truly enjoyed making that. So if you find my videos fun to watch or even helpful, please just like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. I will see y'all next time. Bye.